In today's video, I'm just going to follow up with the trade setup that I showed you Friday. That was in Alta. Now, actually, we had a larger support decision that came in, I believe, 206.05 to 207 and change. We ended up taking out the top end of it, so I just erased those lines, and what we were left with was this 206.05 to 206.64 area. It included a symmetrical projection of one of these prior swings, and also a 786 retracement of another. So basically it hit the zone, it held above the zone, and then it triggered in today's session. So let's take a look at the trigger next. So here, let's see, I don't know how to drag this thing over here. All right, here we go. So this is Alta, and I know that on the 15-minute chart there was a buy trigger, and you can see that with the fact that we took out this prior swing high over here, and then we also had the 834 EMA crossover to the upside. So when that occurs, you can look at the buy side, whether you're looking at outright stock or options. Most of my traders use options. And your initial risk could be defined just underneath that low or underneath the low end of the zone. So we have the setup, now we have the trigger. You can have an entry, you can have the stop underneath this low, and then we have to see if we continue to hold above this area, what the potential upside target is. Now, typical target number one is always going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So that means target number one comes in at 237.21, target number two comes in at 245.54, and of course I'm wrong if it takes out this area. So that's how you use it. You set it up, you do the work, you set it up, and then you look for the triggers, and then you manage the trade.